The interior is devoted to focusing on open and dense surfaces that create beautiful views and play of light and shadow on the inner surfaces. Both walls, ceiling, and floor in the wooden construction are insulated with blown wood fiber based on spruce chips from Norwegian forests. It absorbs moisture and contributes to stable humidity and reduced condensation. Even on hot summer days, the base keeps the air cool, and there is a natural buoyancy with cool air to the rooms above when the sunroof is opened on hot days and nights. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.